Today we have to see the Kramer's rule method. How to solve the given system of equations using Kramer's rule method. So first you have to calculate delta. Delta means detach the coefficient of x, y, z variables. Then find delta. Delta is equal to delta in first column coefficient of x, second column coefficient of y, third column coefficient of z. And then second you have to calculate delta x or delta 1. Delta x is equal to delta. You have to replace the x column by the constant values, and second column and third column are the same columns. Second column and third columns are the same columns. Similarly, we have to find delta y and delta z. And then Kramer's rule. How to calculate x, y, z value using Kramer's rule? X is equal to delta x divided by delta. This is the formula for finding x value, and delta y divided by delta, and delta z divided by delta. This is a method for finding the solution for the given system using Kramer's rule method. Right, and go the exercise sum. In exercise 1.4 is the Kramer's rule method sums. In exercise 1.4, first question, first division. So two variable sums. So given sum is 5x minus 2y plus 16 is given. This plus 16 goes right side is minus 16. And second equation is x plus 3y minus 7 goes right side is plus 7. So you have to calculate delta. How to calculate delta? Detach the coefficient of xy in the given equations. So 5 minus 2, and second equation is 1 3. Expand this one, which is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 2 is right as plus 2, so which is equal to 17. Delta not equal to 0. And next you have to calculate delta x. Delta x is equal to replace the first column by the constant values. So minus 16 7, and second column having the same element. 16 into 3 48. It is minus 48. And 7 into minus 2 minus 14. You have to write plus 14, which is equal to minus is a larger number. Minus 34 answer. And next you have to calculate delta y. Delta y is equal to replace the second column by the constant, first column having the same elements. So minus 67. Expand this one. 7 5s are 35 minus 16. You have to write plus 16. 35 minus 16. 45. 51 over 51. And next, so delta is equal to 17, delta x is equal to minus 34, delta y is equal to 51. And then you have to using the Kramer's rule. By Kramer's rule. What is Kramer's rule, sir? Using Kramer's rule, you have to find x value and y value. So the formula x is equal to delta x divided by delta x value minus 34 divided by delta value 17. So this is equal to minus 2. And then y is equal to delta y divided by delta y answer 51 divided by 17. So 3 17s are 51. 3 17s are 51. So therefore x value is equal to minus 2, y value is equal to 3. This is a method for finding the variable values using Kramer's rule. And then next we have to see the three variable sums. Three variable sum means we have to see the third question in exercise. Third division is 3x plus 3y minus z is equal to 11. 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 9. 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 25. This is a given equations. So you have to find the delta value. Delta is equal to write the coefficients 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 4 3 2. So which is equal to 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Second, minus 3 into 4 minus 8, and then minus 1 into 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 3 into 4 minus 8, minus 1 into 6 plus 4, so which is equal to minus 8 into 3 minus 24, 4 minus 8 minus 4 into minus 3 12, 10 into minus 1 minus 10, 24 12 minus 12 minus 10 is minus 22, delta over. So delta is equal to delta is equal to minus 22. And the next you have to write delta x. Delta x is replace the first column by the right side value. Right side values are 11, 9, 25. 11, 9, 25. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2. And second remaining columns are the same elements, which is equal to 11 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6, and the minus 3 into 18 minus 50, 18 minus 50, and then minus 1 into 27 plus 25, 27 plus 25, so this is equal to 8 minus 88, and the minus 32. Minus into minus plus 32 2s are 32 3s are 96, and then minus 52, so which is equal to 96 minus negative highest value 7, 8 to 137 plus 96, which is equal to 37 plus 1 4 से था 37 plus 1 4 441 minus 41, 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 2 over first one 11 9 25, okay, 11 into minus 2 minus 6, okay, minus 3 into 9 2s are 18, 25 2s are 50, minus 50, and then minus 1 into 9 3s are 27 plus 25, so 27 25 50 52, okay, minus 52 in the minus 32 plus minus 32 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 96, minus 8 to minus 88, 8 plus 8 plus 2 10 balance 1 9 9 40 140 minus 140 plus 96 is equal to minus 44, minus 44. So delta x is equal to minus 44, minus 44, and then delta y value, delta y is equal to replace the second column by 11 9 25. 11 9 25. This implies 3 into 9 twos are 18 minus 25 twos are 50, and then minus 11 into 2 twos are 4 minus 4 twos are 8, and then minus 1 into 25 twos are 50 minus 9 fours are 36. So 3 into 9 twos are 18, 25 twos are 50 minus 50, and then minus 11 into 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 minus 8, and the minus 1 into 25 twos are 50, 9 fours are 36 minus 36, right? So in the minus 32 into 2 minus 96 minus 4 into minus 11 plus 44, and 50 minus 36 plus 14, so minus 14. After simplification we get so minus negative is larger, 96 100 110 plus 44, 110 plus 44 is 4 6 minus 66. So delta y is equal to minus 66. Delta y is equal to minus 66. What the next delta z value? Delta z, the last column is replaced y. So first column 3 2 4, second column 3 y minus 1 3, third column is replaced y 11 9 25, which is equal to 3 into minus 25 minus 27, and then second one minus 3 into 25 twos are 50 minus 9 fours are 36, 4 9s are 36, and then plus 11 into 3 twos are 6 minus 4 plus 4, so 3 into minus 25, 9 threes are 27 minus 27, and minus 3 into 2 25s are 50, plus 9 fours are 36, that is minus 36, plus 11 into 3 twos are 6 minus 4 plus 4 10, okay, minus 25 minus 27 minus 52 into 3 minus 156, and then 50 minus 3 is 14 into minus 3 minus 3 goes out to balance 1 42 into plus 110 over, so largest value minus 198 plus 110, which is equal to negative answer minus 88. So delta is answer minus 88. Okay, so for delta x, delta y, delta z values are over. So delta is equal to minus 22 z, delta x minus 44, delta y minus 66, delta z minus 88. So next we have to apply the Cramer's rule. So by Cramer's rule, x is equal to delta x divided by delta x value minus 44, delta value minus 22. So answer 2 22s are 44, and y is equal to delta y divided by delta y is minus 66, delta value minus 22, minus are plus, 3 22s are 36, and z is equal to delta z by delta z value minus 88 divided by minus 22, minus are cancel, so 4 22s are 48. So therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 4. These are the x, y, z values of the given problem. Okay, suppose the variables are comes in the denominator. How to solve the equation? So see the fourth division. 3 by x minus 4 by y minus 2 by z. 3 by x minus 4 by z. 4 by y minus 2 by z. Minus 1 is equal to 0. equal to plus 1. Second equation 1 by x plus 2 by y plus 1 by z is equal to plus 2 minus 2 is given to y plus 2. And the next third equation 2 by x minus 5 by y minus 4 by z is equal to plus 1 is given, that is minus 1. Okay, variables are constant denominator. How to using Cramer's rule? So first we have to take let 1 by x is equal to the variable a, 1 by y is equal to the variable b, 1 by z is equal to the variable c. Variables are constant numerator now. We have to use the Cramer's rule method. Variables are constant denominator now. So first you have to convert denominator variables into numerators. So the given equations are 3a minus 4b minus 2c is equal to 1. And second equation is a plus 2b plus c is equal to 2. Third equation is 2a minus 5b minus 4c is equal to minus 1 over. So next we have to calculate delta. Delta means we have to detach the coefficient of a, b, c. So for 3 minus 4 minus 2 and then 1 2 1 and then 2 minus 5 minus 4. So explain this one. So 3 into 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 5 is coming to right plus 5. And then second one minus of minus 6 plus 4 into 1 into minus 4 and 2 into 1 2, that is minus 2. And then next one minus 2 into minus 5 2 2 are 4 minus 4. So which is equal to minus 3 into 3 minus 9. And the minus 6 into 4 minus 24. Minus 9 minus into minus plus 9 2s are 18. So 9 minus 1 answer minus 15. Check பண்ணி பாருங்க 15. So similarly minus 24 9 30 9 plus 4 33 plus 18 is equal to minus 5 15 minus 15. Okay, so delta we get the delta value is equal to minus 15. Delta is equal to minus 15. And next we have to calculate delta A. We replace delta A is replaced by the first column is replaced by 1 2 minus 1. Explain this one. You get what? So this is equal to 1 into 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 to 9 plus 5. Second one minus of minus 4 is plus 4 into 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 to 9 plus 1. And the next minus 2 into 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 1 into minus 2, you write plus 2. So which is equal to minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 7 into 4 minus 28 minus 8 goes are 16 plus 60. So which is equal to minus 28 31 plus 60, which is equal to 4 5. So 5 2 minus 1 15. So minus 15. So for delta A value is equal to also minus 15. And the next you have to calculate. Delta B. Delta B means you have to replace the second column second column by 1, 2, minus 1. The first column and the last column having the same elements in delta. So the 3 into minus 8 minus 1 is coming, you write plus 1, and then minus 1 into minus 4 plus 2 is coming, you write minus 2, minus 4 minus 2, and then minus 2 into minus 1 plus 4 is coming, you write minus 4. So which is equal to minus 7 3s are 21, minus 6 plus 6, minus 5 plus 10. So which is equal to 10 16 na 16 minus 21, 4 minus 5, so minus 5 answer. For delta B is equal to minus 5. Or the delta C, we have to replace the last column. So for first two columns having the same number. So 3 1 2 minus 4 2 minus 5. Last column is replaced by 1 2 minus 1. So the 3 into minus 10 is coming. You write plus 10, and then minus of minus 4 is plus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 is coming. You write minus 4, and then plus 1 into minus 5 plus 4 is coming. You write minus 4. So this is equal to 10 minus 2 8. 8 3s are 24. Minus 5 4s are minus 20. Minus 9 20 29 24 na answer minus 5. So delta C is also minus 5 over. This is delta C value. So for delta A, delta B, delta C are over. Next we have to using the Cramer's rule. So by Cramer's rule, A is equal to delta A divided by delta. Delta A is minus 15. Delta is minus 15. So answer 1. B is equal to delta B divided by delta. Delta B answer minus 5 divided by minus 15. So answer 1 by 3. C is equal to delta C divided by delta, which is equal to delta C value minus 5, delta value minus 15. So answer 1 by 3. You have to find x, y, z value. So 1 by x is equal to a na, x is equal to 1 by a. This implies x is equal to reciprocal of 1 is 1. Y is equal to 1 by b. This implies y is equal to 3. Z is equal to 1 by c. This implies z is equal to 3. So the x, y, z values are 1, 3, 3.